Hey guys, welcome to the Real Florida Life. We're gonna head to Lover's Key. We're gonna head to Dog's Beach and gonna try to catch some fish and enjoy a beautiful day. So we're in Fort Myers, heading to South Fort Myers Beach area. We just picked up some shrimp. We got 2 dozen live shrimp, and we're gonna try to catch some good fish.
Daddy, did you get a shrimp, Daddy?
Yeah, I got shrimp.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, is that a wedding? They're doing a wedding there.
So we're on the way out of Fishtail Marina. First time here, so we're gonna go slow because we don't know this area. We're gonna head to Lover's Key Beach, check it out, and then we go to Dog's Beach. Just gonna enjoy the day. It's beautiful out. It's warm back here. Looking forward to a little breeze on the boat. A nice relaxing day. Slow speed, minimum wake, yep. So we're getting past the no wake zone. We don't really know this area, so just gonna not go too fast and explore a little bit. Luckily, we got avionics. So we're just heading underneath the bridge here, Big Carlos Pass. People catch a lot of shark around here. So over here, this is the south end of Fort Myers Beach. You can see there's still a lot of construction going on, and then to our left, more south, on the other side here, we have Lover's Key. And this is where we're gonna go to the ocean side and go check out the beach. But it looks like people post up here as well. And yeah, we're excited. Wow, look, they're right there. Whoa! So we got the dolphins following us. Whoa! We're gonna head. We're trying to go to Lover's Key, but it's actually closed, so you're not supposed to go there. It didn't look like anyone was around, and there was actually a guy on the beach telling boats to go away. So we're not even gonna attempt. We're gonna go over to Hickory Island and Dog Beach and check out that area.
Good job, Mommy. Good job. Good job. Really good job.
This is our beach right now. Pretty awesome. That's our little setup David's enjoying. His popcorn and tablet. Who needs the beach when you have a tablet?
Whoa! Nice! I think we're gonna do some good shelling here. This, pretty nice. David, come see the trip! He is going to get something.
The water is beautiful. The day is beautiful. Shells everywhere. This beach is awesome. Huge guy!
Can I grab the ladyfish?
Yeah, but you
Not a ladyfish, buddy.
It's not a ladyfish. You cannot touch this, buddy.
Caught this little guy. We didn't bring pliers again. David, do you
I
like
did
it?
bring pliers.
You did bring them this time?
Yeah.
Nice.
Alright, so I'm gonna throw the line for last time as we pick up everything and packed up. So let's see if something happened, maybe.
Maybe we're lucky.
Yeah, I don't care about what I get, I just want to get anything.
So there's a storm coming, so we decided to go home.
All right, let's go back in.
There's a bit of a storm rolling in, and it's like a 50-50 shot whether or not it hits us, but we've already had a great long day at the beach. So we're gonna head back to the marina. We got to see some manatees in the water. We got to see dolphins jumping a whole bunch. We caught 2 fish, 2 tiny fish. Jen got stung. It's been a great, great day. A great first trip to Big Hickory Island, so I'm pretty happy about it. It was nice to try something different than where we normally go out of Pineland, and it's beautiful here. So this is one of the things you can do if you're in Fort Myers for sure. Fort Myers Beach, the actual area, there's a lot of busted down buildings and whatever, but I'm sure you can find plenty of places to stay. But as far as out on the water's beautiful. The beaches are beautiful, stunning. You can rent a boat down here. We see so many rental boats out, so there's definitely plenty of options for rental boats. And yeah, just get out on the water and enjoy. Or if not, just drive to the beach. There's plenty of spots to park on Fort Myers Beach right now. Got anything else? Put our stuff up and be thankful for an amazing day. Pulling into the marina is really beautiful. There's a restaurant here. I don't know if it's open right now, but looking at the website from what it used to be, this marina had a great restaurant and bar. The marina is beautiful. There's a lot of residential buildings around that are getting fixed right now. So David fell asleep. Got a long, great day at the beach. and he must be worn out. Our little boy passed out on the boat. But we had a great day. We got to saw dolphins jumping out of the water, manatees. I don't know what they were doing. Mating. I wasn't gonna say that. Manatees doing things in the water.
What? Wait, they recorded. Oh, they're driving it. The beach bar now open.
Oh. The Lani K is like a bomb shelter. You can't take this place down.
The beach is pretty full. No one's gonna stop anybody from coming to Fort Myers.